Guys, look, this little guy's coming out. Hi, little guy, you coming out?
Is that mini Charlotte though?
Hi. I think this is the one that looks the most like Charlotte. I don't know though. I can't tell right now.
And they're licking that for some
Yeah, because she looks the least. Hi.
Yeah, when she does that.
She looks the least derpy. Come here, little
That
girl.
literally looks like Charlotte.
Come here, little girl. Oh, there's a mommy.
Oh, it's having separation anxiety. Oh my gosh, it's going on
It's
an
following
adventure.
her. Your mommy's going. Oh my gosh, my little Nori.
I also started nibbling on the
Little gremlins. Maybe we should start soaking the food in the milk and see if they'll eat it. Hi. So guys, this is how Charlotte meows at us, or used to meow at us when we used to take her babies. But I put little Nori on the cat tree. Obviously, I'm supervising. Charlotte broke this off, apparently. Oh. Oh. I don't know what she's gonna do.
I don't want her to grab him.
I don't want it to fall. Oh goodness, that's an interesting meow, cry. I think she literally thinks she's gonna fall. I'm gonna give her an out. You're okay. Yeah, she's scared, that's why. Okay, just go on the ground then.
Lucy's looking.
Okay, I'll put her down over here then.
Yeah, let's not have her go under the couch.
Yeah. He's like, why is there two of them? He's like, why have I multiplied?
Nori is so dark in the camera. Two brothers just exploring.
Our mirror needs to be dusted. Look at all this dust.
Can't even see anything.
I can see it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yeah, I can see it now.
Oh, his mom is right there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder if he thinks we're
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Look at this little. This is a boy, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this boy. Oh, he stopped at your foot. Charlotte's like, what the heck? And there's Moose staring too.
AC off.
Oh, babe, babe! It went underneath. Babe. Okay, it's out, it's out. Oh my goodness. That was scary. Charlotte's like, you're done. You're done. You're going back. She's not, I don't feel like she's not very good at grabbing her babies, guys, and she stresses us out. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Please don't drop him, Charlotte. Okay. Okay, bring him back. Charlotte said, absolutely not. You're not allowed.
Did she grab him right?
That is so funny. Yeah. And then there are the rest. Nori! Nori! I don't think he knows his name is Nori. Oh, he already left! Babe,
Yep, I
He's leaving. He said, nope, I'm not gonna listen. And there they are. And Charlotte's back.
Come on.
This one's a little rebel like you, huh? That's what it's like to be your mom. Yeah.
Come on.
Little licking toe. Little toe licker.
Nori came out. Hi, little Nori. Hi, Nori. Hi, Nori. Hi, little Nori. Okay. I'll put you down. Put you down. My little Nori. Oh, I love my little Nori. We would keep the girl too, which is this one. She looks like Charlotte, but everybody wants girls and we have only boys, so.
Okay. Oh.
She's so bad at carrying him. I missed it, but oh, well, she dropped him. She was like biting his eye off. Are you okay? Are you okay? Hi, little Nori. Hi, Nori. They're becoming so lively. Oh, there's Miso, babe.
I know.
Miso's coming out.
Look at him.
They're just a lot more active nowadays. Little cuties. Because I got them confused. Nori's not even outside. He's literally hanging out with his mom over there. He was just biting the... Oh, she's looking at herself in the... Oh, what was that? Charlotte's so over them. She's like, stop moving. There's Nori. No wonder that one was crying when I picked him up. Usually... Oh, are you okay? What just happened? Here's little Nori. Hi, Nori. You have little eye boogies, Nori. Hi, Nori. Hi, Nori. How are you? Hi, my little Nori boy. Little Nori, you're like a little teddy bear. Look at you. Look at my Nori. Oh, so cute.
Oh my god.
It's licking. Oh my god, that one's so smart.
Yeah,
He's biting it.
It's not focusing. Oh!
Oh my goodness. What the hell? Charlotte, these are your children for sure. Babe, look, it's trying to eat. We should try to put food in there for... Look, it's eating. Babe, look, it's pretending it thinks it's eating. Oh my goodness, you guys are going crazy today. What is happening? This is a lot. From that other one. Look at that one. And this one's trying to go under the bed. Charlotte's freaking out. Look, she's looking at it. She's mad. She got mad. This is crazy. There's wild men today. You're gonna fall. It's gonna fall, babe. It's gonna fall.
Well, it's gotta learn.
You just have to let it?
Just gotta learn, yeah.
Hi, where are you going? Go back with your mom. Where are you? Go back with your mom. Bye, babies. See you later. Also, that one's still up there. Good luck to you. I don't know what's gonna happen with you. I mean, that sounded weird. No, I'm sure you'll be fine, but good luck. He has a long journey down. Bye, babies. Oh, it's looking at me. Okay, fine. I'm gonna put it down. Do you need some help? Come on. I'm helping you. There, go to your mom. We're in Federal Way. We're gonna try this tteokbokki place that seems similar to the one we went to in Vegas. Kimbap. James got the rosé, and then I got the grandma. We'll see how they are.
Whatever that means.